Hi guys, Cruise Control Mark's Garage. Ayan guys, good morning po. Nandito tayo sa C3. Ito, mag-install tayo ng cruise control dito sa Fortuner 2018 gas engine. Ayan guys, gas engine po ito. So guys, ito wala pa siyang cruise control. Ayan, wala pang cruise control. Lalagyan natin ng cruise control. Ayan. Ito. Automatic transmission, gas engine 2018. Okay, continue ko ulit guys. Yun guys, cruise control Mark's Garage. Ayan, natapos na yung installation natin dito sa Fortuner 2018 automatic transmission gas engine. So guys, eto, paano natin nalaman na gas engine yan? Kasi dito guys, oh. Ayan, unleaded. Tapos dito sa loob, unleaded. Tapos yung engine niyan iba. Ayan. So ngayon guys, ito na yung cruise control. Ayan, na-install na natin. Okay, tapos ito yung indicator nya. Ayan, ready, 1, 2, 3, on. Ayan, off, on. Ayan. Ito yan guys, oh. Off, on. Okay. Diba? Gas engine, automatic transmission, cruise control installed. Ngayon, magta-testing tayo guys. Check natin kung working talaga ang cruise control. Okay, continue ulit guys. Yan guys, cruise control Mark's Garage. Ito, magta-testing na kami ng Fortuner gas engine ng cruise control. Ito. Ayan. So, nandito kami sa may Skyway papunta ng Balintawak. Ayan guys, oh, nakaset na yung cruise control 60 kph. Tapos hindi nakaapak sa gas pedal guys, oh. Ayan, dito kami sa Skyway. Tapos try mo sir mag speed up. Ayan, naka-hold siya guys, oh. Ayan, naka-hold siya guys, oh. Tumataas yung speed. So pag binitawan niya, cruise control, stop na rin yung pag-increase ng speed. Ayan, pero hindi yan nakaapak sa gas guys, ah. Ayan guys, working, oh. Cruise control, gas engine. Ayan. Ayos ba sir? Ayos guys. Dito lang yan guys sa cruise control Mark's Garage. Yeah.